Welcome to our journey through the most significant milestones in space exploration history. From the first man in space to the reusable space shuttles, let's dive into the incredible achievements that have shaped our understanding of the cosmos. From the early days of the space race to the international collaborations of today, we'll trace humanity's unyielding desire to reach beyond our planet and explore the universe. Fasten your seatbelts, space cadets, as we embark on an exhilarating adventure through the annals of space exploration. Picture this. It's 1961. The Cold War is raging, and the United States and the Soviet Union are locked in a fierce competition to conquer space. Then, on April 12th, a young Soviet cosmonaut named Yuri Gagarin strapped himself atop a rocket more powerful than any ever built. His mission to become the first human to journey beyond Earth's atmosphere, to slip the surly bonds of gravity and venture into the unknown. At 9:07 a.m. Moscow time, the engines ignited, and Gagarin uttered his now iconic phrase, "Poyakali," let's go. He was rocketed skyward, embarking on a journey that would forever alter our perception of our place in the cosmos. For 108 minutes, Gagarin orbited our planet, gazing upon its blue and white beauty from a perspective no human had ever experienced. His safe return, landing by parachute near the Volga River, sent shockwaves around the world. Yuri Gagarin became an instant global icon, a symbol of human ambition and achievement, proving that we could indeed venture beyond our home planet. The Soviet Union struck first in the space race with Yuri Gagarin. The US responded with John Glenn. On February 20th, 1962, Glenn awaited his turn to make history. Project Mercury aimed to send an American into orbit. Glenn's mission was to achieve this. His 3 orbits restored national pride and inspired a generation. A faulty sensor indicated a loose heat shield, but Glenn splashed down safely, becoming a national hero. While Yuri Gagarin and John Glenn were making history orbiting Earth, another pioneering space traveler was waiting in the wings. Her name was Valentina Tereshkova, and she was about to shatter another glass ceiling in the race to explore the cosmos. Just 2 years after Gagarin's historic flight, on June 16, 1963, Tereshkova, a skilled parachutist and textile worker, became the first woman to venture into space. Aboard Vostok 6, she spent nearly 3 days in orbit, circling the Earth 48 times. Tereshkova faced technical difficulties, physical discomfort, and the psychological strain of being alone in the vastness of space. Yet she persevered, conducting experiments, taking photographs, and inspiring millions around the world. Valentina Tereshkova became a symbol of female empowerment, demonstrating that women too could reach for the stars and contribute to the advancement of science and technology. Her legacy continues to inspire generations of women to pursue careers in STEM fields and to break down barriers in their quest to achieve their dreams. The race to space wasn't just about reaching orbit, it was about pushing the boundaries of exploration further into our solar system. And in 1965, NASA set its sights on our enigmatic neighbor Mars, with the launch of Mariner 4. This robotic emissary, equipped with cameras and scientific instruments, embarked on a daring 7.5-month journey to the Red Planet. On July 14, 1965, Mariner 4 made history, flying by Mars at a distance of just over 6,000 miles. Its cameras clicked away, capturing 22 grainy, black-and-white images that revealed a desolate, cratered landscape, far different from the lush, canal-covered world imagined by some. These images, though rudimentary by today's standards, sparked a revolution in our understanding of Mars. Mariner 4's successful flyby marked a pivotal moment in our exploration of the solar system, proving that we could send robotic explorers across vast distances to study other planets. Landing humans on the moon was an audacious goal, a dream that required meticulous planning and a deep understanding of the lunar environment. Before taking that giant leap, NASA needed a scout, a robotic emissary to pave the way. That scout was Surveyor 1. Launched on May 30, 1966, Surveyor 1 was tasked with a critical mission, to achieve the first successful soft landing on the moon. After a tense 63-hour journey, Surveyor 1 touched down in the Ocean of Storms, a vast lunar plain. Its landing, a triumph of engineering and precision, marked a pivotal moment in the race to the moon. Its cameras, activated shortly after touchdown, began transmitting the first clear images from the lunar surface, revealing a desolate yet strangely beautiful landscape. These images, more than 11,000 in total, provided invaluable data about the moon's surface, its composition, and its suitability for future human exploration. Surveyor 1 had proven that a soft landing was possible, paving the way for the Apollo missions to follow. One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. These iconic words, uttered by Neil Armstrong on July 20, 1969, marked a pivotal moment in human history. The Apollo 11 mission achieved the impossible, landing humans on the moon. The world watched in awe as Armstrong, Aldrin, and Collins embarked on their historic journey. Atop the mighty Saturn V rocket, they launched from Cape Kennedy, Florida. After 3 days, the lunar module, Eagle, separated from the command module, Columbia. As Eagle descended towards the Sea of Tranquility, the world held its breath. Then, the words that confirmed their success: Houston, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed. Armstrong and Aldrin had touched down safely on the moon. The Apollo program, a symbol of American ingenuity, faced its most harrowing moments with Apollo 13. What began as a routine mission quickly turned into a desperate fight for survival. On April 13, 1970, disaster struck. An oxygen tank exploded, crippling the service module and jeopardizing the lives of the astronauts. Their mission to land on the moon was aborted. Their only goal now was to get home alive. The astronauts, facing dwindling supplies, worked tirelessly with mission control. Using makeshift materials, they filtered carbon dioxide from the air supply. They rationed resources, endured freezing temperatures, and navigated back to Earth. Their safe return became a symbol of human resilience and the spirit of exploration. Apollo 13, though a successful failure, proved we could overcome impossible odds. Imagine cruising across the lunar surface, kicking up moon dust as you explore a world untouched by human hands. That dream became a reality during the Apollo missions, thanks to the Lunar Roving Vehicle, or as it's more affectionately known, the Moon Buggy. This electric-powered dune buggy, designed specifically for the challenges of the lunar environment, gave astronauts an unprecedented level of mobility, allowing them to venture farther from their landing sites and conduct more extensive scientific exploration. The rover, first deployed during Apollo 15 in 1971, could carry 2 astronauts, along with their tools, scientific equipment, and lunar samples. The rover's impact on lunar exploration was significant. It allowed astronauts to cover greater distances, visit multiple sites, and collect a wider range of samples, greatly expanding our understanding of the moon's geology and history. The early space flights of the Mercury, Gemini, and Apollo programs were remarkable feats of engineering and human endurance, but they were also fleeting glimpses into the cosmos. To truly unlock the secrets of space, we needed a more permanent presence, a home away from home among the stars. That vision began to take shape with the launch of Salyut 1, the world's first space station. On April 19, 1971, the Soviet Union launched Salyut 1, ushering in a new era of long-duration spaceflight. The first crew to inhabit Salyut 1, Georgy Dobrovolsky, Vladislav Volkov, and Viktor Patsayev, spent 23 days aboard the station, conducting experiments and making observations. Despite a tragic end, Salyut 1 marked a pivotal moment in space exploration, demonstrating the feasibility of building and inhabiting long-duration space habitats. In the annals of space exploration, few missions have captured the imagination and expanded our understanding of the cosmos quite like Voyager 1. Launched in 1977, Voyager 1, along with its twin Voyager 2, embarked on a grand tour of the outer solar system, sending back breathtaking images and groundbreaking scientific data. Voyager 1's mission was to explore the gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn, and their moons. It accomplished this with flying colors, revealing the intricate details of Jupiter's Great Red Spot, discovering new rings around Saturn, and providing close-up views of these gas giants' fascinating moons. After its planetary encounters, it continued its outward journey, becoming the first spacecraft to cross the heliopause, the boundary between our solar system and interstellar space. Today, Voyager 1, carrying with it a golden record containing sounds and images of Earth, is the farthest human-made object from Earth, a silent ambassador hurtling through the vast emptiness of interstellar space. These milestones, from the first human in space to the robotic explorers venturing beyond our solar system, represent humanity's relentless pursuit of knowledge and exploration. As we continue to reach for the stars, who knows what incredible achievements await us in the future? Perhaps we'll establish a permanent human presence on Mars, unravel the mysteries of dark matter and dark energy, or even discover life beyond our planet. One thing is certain, the journey of space exploration is far from over, so stay tuned, space cadets, the best is yet to come.